A baby elephant has been rescued by helicopter after its mother died in southern Kenya. Courtesy, caters. A baby elephant rescued by conservation workers was transferred to its new home by a helicopter. The elephant was born prematurely, which meant it was unable to reach its mother's teats, and was therefore starving. It was rescued from the Maasai Mara National Reserve in southern Kenya by the Mara Elephant Project. The elaborate rescue was coordinated on a number of fronts, involving national park workers and staff from the Wildlife Trust. The transfer took place in November, with rescuers realizing the quickest and safest way to transport the elephant to its new home, the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust in Nairobi, would be by a helicopter. A spokesperson for the Mara Elephant Project said, "The project protects elephants to conserve the greater Mara ecosystem." Intervening with abandoned baby elephants is something we do on a regular basis, so we know to stay calm and collected. This was, however, the first time we've had an elephant in our helicopter.They are usually slightly too big for the trip. The spokesperson added that most often the rescuers are helping elephants whose mother has died due to human-elephant conflict, which is what made this case so unusual. The baby bush elephant was given the name Panya and is now being cared for, and fed, by a team of workers.